Today, we will go over the vowel sounds of the letter Y. Usually, the letter Y makes the consonant sound y, like in yes, and you, and yesterday. But sometimes it makes sounds of vowels. It makes the long I sound in words like try, why, and rhyme. And then there's times where it makes the short I sound in words like physical, mystic, and lyric. And then you have the times when it makes the sound of the long E in words like funny, body, and city. The letter Y is a very unique alphabet, and it has many uses. Sometimes it's a consonant, sometimes it's a vowel. I know you can find many more words that use the letter Y in many different ways.